Hello and welcome to Starfish Lane Kids, your friendly Australian nursery here in Doha. We have 3 branches in En Khaled, Al Makia and Duhail. We take little ones from 2 months to 4 years of age to learn, play and develop with us. Starfish Lane Kids is unique because we take a holistic approach to childcare. We offer enrichment activities for children as part of their daily and weekly program. We have specialized children's yoga, Playball and Zumbini. Our Australian curriculum, Being, Belonging and Becoming, is the highly acclaimed early years framework, which enables children to develop a foundation for future success in learning. Our lovely library has over 300 titles to choose from, which will develop children's imagination and foster a love of reading. Your little ones will have a restful sleep while they're with us in our dedicated I'm sleeping room. We have a strong school readiness program and work with all the top schools in Doha so that your child will be prepared before attending school. Our fabulous international staff will care for your little ones and keep them happy and safe, playing, learning and developing while they are with us. Starfish Lane recruits several teachers from overseas.
Hi, I'm Jeanette and I'm from Ireland and I've been working at Starfish for over 2 years. I'm a preschool teacher here and there's so many rewarding things about this job. The main thing for me is working with the children. A typical day at nursery for us, it changes all the time. We have a lot of very special days and events here. We have activity times, circle times, Playball, Zumbini, arts and crafts. As a teacher, from a professional point of view, there's a lot of amazing opportunities for us here to develop. I've been certified in yoga and certified in Playball, which is an amazing thing for me to be. The older children also do Jolly Phonics to get them ready for school, and we also focus on a lot of school readiness activities also.
For more information or contact details, visit our website on www.starfishlankids.com or pop in and say hello. We'd love to show you around.